If Chrome has blocked a file that you know is safe, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a file blocked by Chrome in just a few quick steps. This is a really useful trick when Chrome flags a download as blocked, dangerous, or failed, but you still need the file for work, school, or a trusted source. Before we start, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Now on your keyboard, press Ctrl and J at the same time. This opens the Chrome Downloads page, which is where you can see every file you've recently downloaded and check the status of each one. Once the Downloads page loads, look through the list for the file that Chrome has blocked. You may see a message that says blocked, dangerous, or failed download. Chrome does this when it thinks a file might be unsafe, so it automatically stops the download to protect your computer. If you recognize the file and trust the source, you can manually tell Chrome to keep it. To do that, find the blocked file in the list and look for the three dots next to it. Click those three dots and then choose Keep. On some versions of Chrome, it may say Keep Anyway instead. Either option tells Chrome that you want to allow the download to continue. After you click it, Chrome should remove the block and let you access the file. In some cases, you may need to confirm the action one more time, so just approve the prompt if it appears. Once that's done, the file should be available in your Downloads folder like normal. If it still doesn't open, make sure the file actually finished downloading and that it came from a source you trust. It's always a good idea to scan downloads with antivirus software before opening anything unknown. And that's it. Now you know how to fix a file blocked by Chrome and keep a safe download when Chrome gets a little too cautious. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple fix.